ERPNext is a great product. You and I know that. And if you're hearing that for the first time, then I'm here to confirm to you that ERPNext is a great product. But we have a problem. The documentation, I don't know whether I should call it documentation, but rather access to materials on usage, that is functional usage, are not so great. So I believe strongly that something better can be done for the people who are using ERPNext. By this I mean things like how do you use the accounting module, how do you use the different modules that we have. And then we also have very specific questions like how do you, for example, do bank reconciliations and things like those. So the reason for this video is to introduce this to you and tell you that I'll be starting this series next week, God willing, and that everything is going to be free on YouTube. The only thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have subscribed, because these videos are going to come fast, really fast. So I'm going to be looking at ERPNext from the basics to advanced topics. Of course, I already have outlined what exactly I'm going to be covering, but because I am not a know-all, I will be expecting, or rather I would really appreciate it if you can share the topics that you feel are a concern. So if you have been using ERPNext for some time now and there are some topics that have been a trouble to you, for example, maybe you want to know how to do ABCD, how to get this and that report, how to customize. Well, customize no, because I'm not going to be teaching developer stuff there. It is purely functional training. But of course, if you have something like a report that you'd like me to guide you develop or customize, then you can definitely ping me up. I'm going to leave my number down here. Also, things like, for example, how to get different reports, even those that exist. I have implemented this system for a number of customers, and even accessing reports, the reports that are already there, of course, proves to be a problem. So if there is anything at all, whether you know is there or you don't even know whether it is there for the first time, in the first place, and you'd like me to help you with that, please get to me. I'm going to be starting that next week. The things that you want to see inside, drop in the comment section below. So the other thing, remember to subscribe. That is where everything is going to go. See you there.